Today I'm going to be talking about how mRNA is coded into amino acid chains or proteins through the process of translation. And I'm going to do that through a problem. And the problem that we need to solve is how to get a 5 amino acid length protein from this strand of DNA. And how that works is when DNA is transcribed into mRNA, ribosomes read that mRNA in 3 base pair codons, and each codon codes for a different amino acid. And it always starts with AUG, that's where it always starts reading, which codes for MET. And it always stops at UAA, UAG, or UGA. Now, if we look at this, we can identify that this starts with ATG, which will be AUG in mRNA, and ends with UAA. And there are 4 codons in between, plus the starting one is 5. This is the coding strand, so the template strand will be read like this, so that the mRNA looks like this in the 5' to 3' direction. Now, when we sort it all out, it'll look like this, with MET, VAL, ARG, PHE, LIS, and then a stop as the amino acid chain. You don't need to know what these are in terms of actual names. Now, I'm going to introduce a few mutations in DNA that can disrupt this process. These are going to be point mutations, where one base pair is going to be turned into another base pair. And this comes in 4 variations. First is missense, where the changing of a base pair results in a completely different codon being formed. This one is a transversion because a purine is being turned into a pyrimidine. The next one is nonsense, where a base pair is changed and it results in a stop codon earlier. And this makes it so that we have one less amino acid. This is also a transversion since it is a purine transformed into a pyrimidine. The next one is silent, where a base pair is changed, but it doesn't result in a different amino acid. This is a transition because it's a purine being turned into another purine. And the last one is readthrough, where a stop codon base pair is changed into something else, so that there is no stop codon, and the ribosome keeps reading through. This one is a transversion because it is a pyrimidine being turned into a purine. That's all. Thank you.